Imagine the universe as a living machine, expanding through the infinite vacuum of space. Energy gave birth to the machine that is the universe. Energy feeds the universe and keeps it expanding forever outward into entropy. In the absence of energy, there is nothing. Without energy, the universe itself would cease to exist. Even when objects look like they're not moving to our eyes, there's still molecular energy thrumming inside. Energy is in everything, and it is everything. We can split energy into two primary forms: kinetic and potential. Kinetic energy is all about motion. For it to exist, an object has to have mass and velocity. Potential energy can be thought of as stored energy. It's dependent on other factors like an object's position or electrical charge. Under each of these are many other types of energy, like mechanical, thermal, electrical, and radiant, chemical, nuclear, gravitational, elastic. Those are just a few examples. There are even types of energy that seem to fit into both categories. I'm thinking mostly of electromagnetic and dark energy because those two have driven a lot of physics research, and I have an ongoing fascination with them that sometimes makes me wish I had chosen a different field of study in college. I was terrible at math in school, still am actually, but physics and thermodynamics fascinate me. Maybe I should have studied harder in algebra class. I can hear some of you asking why this matters in terms of thermography. Well, anytime there's a flow of energy, there are three things: heat, work, and the third is something called internal energy. We'll talk about those three things more when we dig into thermodynamics, but in a nutshell, whenever energy flows, there's a potential for heat to flow as well. And heat is what thermographers analyze and interpret.